Did you know that over 2 lakh MBA aspirants take the GMAT exam each year, yet only about 20% manage to score above 650, with the top 10% of test takers really standing out. But what if you could go beyond just making the cut and land a score of 750 plus? It might sound ambitious, but the GMAT Focus Edition could be a game changer. Hello everybody. If you are planning to study abroad at top B schools, you have probably heard about the GMAT Focus Edition. In today's video, we are going to dive into what makes this version different and how it can help you gain a competitive edge, and most importantly, how you can excel at it. Whether you are aiming for a top score or just looking to understand the nuances of this new edition, stay tuned because we are going to break it all down. But before going ahead, if you are planning to study MBA or any business majors abroad, then click the link in the video description to book a free 20-minute strategy session with our study abroad experts. We'll guide you through choosing the right schools, crafting standout essays, SOPs, LORs, and offer personalized advice on school, GMAT prep, and scholarship. First off, the GMAT Focus Edition is a more streamlined and efficient version of the traditional GMAT. It is designed to cut down the exam time by nearly an hour, focusing on three main sections: quantitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, and the all-new data insight section. What's really exciting about this edition is the added flexibility. You get to choose the order in which you take the section, and even better, you can review and edit up to 3 answers per section. This gives you more control over your testing strategy, which is a total game changer. Now let's dive into the numbers. The total score for the GMAT Focus Edition ranges between 205 to 805. With all scores adding in 5. Each section contributes equally to your score with a range of 60 to 90 points per section. It is crucial to understand how these scores work, as they'll help you gauge your performance compared to other test takers. But don't be fooled into thinking it's all smooth sailing. The Focus Edition brings its own set of challenges. There are penalties for unanswered questions, and currently, practice resources are limited. This means you'll have to maximize the official GMAT practice test to prepare effectively. Despite these hurdles, the GMAT Focus Edition is still an essential part of global business school admission. It tests not only your core skills but also your ability to analyze and interpret data, skills critical for making business decisions. So if you are getting ready for this exam, start with an official practice test early. Focus on mastering the fundamentals, stay updated on any new information, and you'll be well on your way to achieve that perfect 750 plus score. To wrap up, the GMAT Focus Edition is all about making the exam more tailored and insightful for you. Yes, there are challenges, but with the right approach, you can definitely ace it. Don't forget, if you are planning to study abroad at top business schools, check out our free AI-based profile evaluation tool. The link is in the description box below. It will help you assess your strengths and weaknesses and boost your admission chances. Now if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to MIMS for more study abroad content like this.